Tackle various cleanup applications across different environments with the M18 FUEL Compact Vacuum. Optimized for job site debris, this vacuum can quickly and efficiently pick up a range of dry job site debris. Two-stage debris separation allows you to filter out small and large debris during operation to prevent bogging down, reducing the need to consistently clean the filter. With 50% more sustained suction, the M18 FUEL Compact Vacuum has continuous suction power to get you through your entire day. The POWERSTATE Brushless Motor provides powerful performance over time to easily clean up common job site debris. 5 dedicated solutions guarantee maximum cleanup versatility in a wide range of hard-to-reach environments, including messes at ground level, confined spaces, waist level, and overhead. Experience the most versatile vacuum designed to pick up job site debris across many applications. The M18 FUEL Compact Vacuum.